Welcome, everybody. It is Bobby Two Pups Breaks on Wednesday. It is July the 9th. We are breaking Gold Rush autograph baseballs. 2-box break from a case we started the other night. We got 1 and 5. We randomed up our 4 remaining boxes. Got 1 and 5. We did pick a name. You get 2 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customer list, gave everybody a chance to trade. Nothing going down though, so everybody guys. Well, guys, maybe not a monster, but it's far from a bad hit, guys. They're gonna be the Don Mattingly, folks. Beckett hologram honor. But gonna be Don Mattingly. Let's see. Oh, that's the Tiger on that one. Bit of a letdown here on this one. Not a bad hit, just nothing great, guys. Gonna be Mr. Tony Larussa, guys. Beckett hologram honor, folks. Again, guys, gonna be Tony Larussa. Wow, a double. Man, I don't know what's been going on these last couple of cases here. We hadn't had any double hits, and now we're getting nothing but double hits, man. Bam. Yep, gonna be another SD hit on that one, guys. Wow, I am very sorry everybody else, folks. Been getting a bunch of double hits out of our last couple of cases. Well, we got 2 boxes left in the case, guys. Call out your keeps. Don't know if we'll get her broke tonight, but we'll give her a shot. Y'all have a good one.